Hey y'all. Okay, so here's a quick demo of what I'm calling a JL installer. So basically, this is a bash script that I made because I'm constantly testing tools in CentOS VMs that could or could not eventually be adopted and deployed. So the settings for these systems, they're kind of all over the place. So using a VM clone and just redeploying that didn't really fit the bill for my case. And plus, I just wanted an excuse to make something interesting with Bash, with just pure Bash. Yeah, basically, what I needed to do was find a way to install and set up CentOS machines without a whole lot of thought. Doing this task over and over again gets a little bit repetitive. So I just wanted to automate the process, and voila, JL installer was born. Yeah, it's kind of a dumb name, but whatever. So I figured this might be helpful for others, so here it is. You can download it right here. And I'm going to walk you through the script and give you a quick demo of its current features. Okay, so first of all, and as always, we're going to need to change permissions of the script. So so we can actually run it. So we're going to throw chmod plus x and the file name, and then throw in my password real quick, and we'll get this up and running. So take a look. That chmod took, and then we'll run the file with sudo. Okay, so here it is. We're at version 0.3.1, and check GitHub for updates. Speaking of updates, so do we want to update? Yes, we do. I've already done the updates, so this is going to happen pretty quickly. Okay, we're good to go. Prompted. And now some useful packages, things that I find helpful, which are like epel release, nano, wget, curl, nettools, all this kind of stuff. So we'll throw that all on. Don't have to think about it, type all those in individually, and you know how it is. So we'll hit enter, and then SE Linux. Do we want it enabled, disabled? Do we want it in permissive mode? For this, I'll just throw it at permissive. Okay, so now we can verify the config file, okay, for all of these people who are like, don't use sed, blah, blah, blah. We'll double check, okay? So we see there, SE Linux is permissive. We're good to go. We'll hit Q to get out, and then here we are. Do we want to enable the firewall? Testing purposes, maybe not. Maybe we do. Let's just turn it off for now. Okay, great. So that's off. Prompted, next set. We've got SSH. Everybody loves SSH. It's better than FTP. So we'll install it, enable it, and configure it. So it's installed. Okay, great. We'll just keep on going with the prompts. Do we want to use port 22? Do we want to use another port? Okay, so we'll, for these purpose, we'll use another port. And let's see, what port? Oops, I hit a typo. Okay, just to show y'all on purpose, so this is catching some errors. So what do we really want? Let's do 103.4.5 just to see. So again, we're going to be able to check the file, the config file, and see what happened, right? So let's hit enter, and here we are. Okay, we're good. And you see just above the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines up, port 103.4.5. We're good. Get out of there. That's the end of the script. We're good to go. So I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all use it. I'll keep adding some stuff. I'm going to add in probably SNMP because I use that for my Libre NMS, my network monitoring. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.